Amber Heard called the ruling of $15 million in damages for ex-husband Johnny Depp in his defamation trial a setback for women and a loss for freedom of speech. She added that this was a setback for women to a time when a woman who spoke up and spoke out could be publicly shamed and humiliated.
Sets back the clock to a time when a woman who spoke up and spoke out could be publicly shamed and humiliated.
The 36-year-old screen star then blamed star attorney Camille Vasquez and Depp's other legal experts. "I believe Johnny's attorneys succeeded in getting the jury to overlook the key issue of freedom of speech and ignore evidence that was so conclusive that we won in the UK. And that statement, which she has repeatedly insisted forms the basis of her appeal, will undoubtedly come back and haunt her." Amber sued Depp's former attorney Adam Waldman based on the same argument she is now crying foul over, and Depp's team may as well use it against her to recoup the $2 million she was to be paid. So what is this freedom of speech rule, and how is it applicable legally? Let's find out. The jury in the Johnny Depp versus Amber Heard defamation case trial gave its verdict by awarding the Hollywood actor $15 million in damages and $2 million in damages to his ex-wife. This left many intrigued as to how someone who has effectively lost the case could be awarded such a high sum of money in damages. It then brought the attention of one Adam Waldman, a lawyer who represented Pirates of the Caribbean star in the past. The jury found that Waldman defamed Amber in his statements made to the Daily Mail newspaper. Waldman had told the British news outlet that the Texas-born actress committed a hoax when she called police to their apartment in May 2016. In an article published on April 8, 2020, Waldman said, "Amber Heard and her friends in the media used fake sexual violence allegations as both sword and shield, depending on their needs. They have selected some of her sexual violence hoax facts as the sword, inflicting them on the public and Mr. Depp." Waldman had said, "Quite simply, this was an ambush, a hoax." Waldman is a well-known lawyer in America who also works lobbyist. He's represented Depp previously during his divorce proceedings. He was later removed from Depp's legal team after a judge found out that he was leaking private information. In the upcoming appeal, Amber, through her lawyers, insists they will convince the jury that her freedom of speech was infringed and that she did not intend to defame Johnny Depp. One thing they forgot is that Depp also filed an appeal against Amber and may use the same argument, arguing that Waldman was exercising his freedom of speech and therefore did not defame Amber. Documents filed in Fairfax County read, "Plaintiff and counterclaim defendant John C. Depp II, by counsel, hereby appeals to the Court of Appeals of Virginia from all adverse rulings and from the final judgment order of this circuit court entered on June 24, 2022. Amber's appeal hearing, which will be kicking off soon, came shortly after Judge Penny Askren, who oversaw the 6-week trial at Fairfax County District Court, dismissed her legal team's claims of improper juror service. "We believe the court made errors that prevented a just and fair verdict consistent with the First Amendment," a spokesperson for the actress said after the filing submission. "We are therefore appealing the verdict. While we realize today's filing will ignite the Twitter bonfires, there are steps we need to take to ensure both fairness and justice." Will Waldman be vindicated based on Amber's arguments? And will Amber's new attorneys convince the judge to protect her alleged freedom of speech? Let's wait and see how that goes. Remember, this information is based on theories and opinions, therefore shouldn't be considered facts. And that's it from us today. Until next time, bye!